Success, okay? This thing launched perfectly into the oven. Beautiful. It's been in there for about a minute. Basically, this is going to be a two-part cook. We're going to cook it about 5 minutes, 5 or 6 minutes on the steel. Okay, then I'm going to pull it off the steel, put it on a regular aluminum pan, put another rack up, one higher, and we're going to broil it the last few minutes. That's the game plan. Every pizza is going to cook a little differently. It's not an exact science. You got to go by look, okay? So I got to rotate this sucker. I'll be right back. Still cooking up, still looking really good. I forgot to mention, okay, so 5 or 6 minutes on the steel. Every minute and a half or so, I'm going underneath, doing a little rotation. Okay, let's just take a peek. It's been about 2 minutes. Can you see? Oh, that looks nice. All right, we're getting there. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, it's been about 3 minutes now. Still rotating every minute or so. Can you see here? See if I can get in close. It's a little bit disfigured over here on this end. That's okay, we'll just go with it. When I launched it, because I make this pizza so thin, a little bit of the crust folded up on itself, but really it's not bad. Every pizza is gonna look unique. Every pizza is gonna have its own little identity, so not to worry. Okay, so this is the second step of the two-step cook process here. So the first part was cooking it on the plate. That went about 6.5 minutes in this case. I was rotating it, fine, okay. Now, after doing these pizzas a couple years, I've learned that, you know, when that undercarriage is getting cooked to the point where you like it, okay, stop, pull the brakes. So what do? Okay, then I take the next rack, stick it in the oven, go up a rack higher. Okay, I flip the oven from bake over to broil on high, and I have a nice chilled out aluminum pizza pan, okay? So I stick the pizza on the pizza pan. It's gonna put the brakes on the cooking of the undercarriage, and it's glowing under the broiler. Okay, so it's gonna cook that additional few minutes. Every pizza is unique. I can't tell you how long to cook your pizza, I'm sorry. Some pizzas are thicker, some pizzas are thinner. You know it when you see it. You know, so I just got to go by look and feel. No two pizzas are the same. She's still cooking under the broiler here. So for the traditional New Haven style, it's definitely like a well done pizza. Okay, so I'm going to let this thing broil quite a bit, but I'm still going to rotate it a couple of times, probably another 2 minutes until this thing is done.